Nag-score ako ngayon ng 1 over. Birdie ako ng 3 tsaka 4 na bogey. Nabogi ako first hole kasi yung drive ko nasa gilid ng puno. Nag-play out na lang ako tsaka save bogey. Nag-birdie ako sa hole number 2 tsaka hole number 18. Yung short game ko po, pinapraktisan ko po kasi short game talaga yung importante sa lahat. Fairway green lang po. Tsaka pagdating sa green, 2 putts lang. Enjoy lang po.
I think the key to my low rounds is I just kept my cool, like whenever I play. So I feel like it's mostly like in my head and how I manage my games. I was more excited, kaysa like nervous, because it's a big event in my home course. So yeah, no expectations, just go out there and have fun. That's it. A motivation of mine is since I'm gonna like go college golf like next year, so that's like a motivation of me to get better. So hopefully soon I get to perform well.
Yung key sa low round ko is good drive, maganda drives ko today. Fairways, na-hit ko lahat ng fairways. Tapos may miss konti pero nasa may fairway pa rin. Tapos maganda din yung short game ko konti. Pero may mga 3 putts pero okay lang. Naka-help din sa akin yung pag-practice ko sa Apo since same yung grass tsaka greens dito at doon. Medyo walang practice since may school ako. Winner ko lang talaga yung drive ko tsaka short game ko kasi alam ko mahirap dito. Mag-focus lang sa putting kasi marami akong 3 putts ngayon. Dapat i-improve ko siya konti. My family, syempre. Tapos, mga sponsors ko din. Thank you sa OB, South Pacific. Thank you din sa Apo sa pag-bet sa amin makalaro, makapractice.